Now we're going to remove the water properly. How the proper way to remove the water. So we're going to unleash here. This is normal because this is where actually the water will be, so that the atomizer will put the I'll show you how. So that's the purpose of water. So this is how it's proper done if you're going to change the water. Return it here. So yung removing water properly, so you have to unplug first. The position must be here. In removing the water, the position must be here, going to your left, because if going to the right, it's not, because there's a extension cord here. So going to the left must be this, where how the proper way to throw water. There, that's how it is done. So this, you have to put in throwing water. In throwing water, the position must be going here, so that it will not damage. It will not damage the cord. So it must be here to avoid being destroyed the cord. So proper way. So now you have it here.